This is CBR's last long ride, you can say. Maybe probably in a week's time the entire deal will be done. And the good news is
okay guys, so we're finally leaving from my house. I'll be meeting Yash in another 5 or 10 minutes, and the meeting points are Tejas will be meeting me in Yash's building. Ahead we'll be meeting Nayan at Dahisar. Abhishek also will be coming in Yash's building, that's in Borivali. The people traveling from Bhandup will be coming to Walton Hotel. That is ahead of Fountain Hotel. For the people who don't know, it's on the junction of Ghodbandar Road and the Ahmedabad Highway. And the people coming from Vasai and Naigaon will be meeting us at the Vasai junction. So that's a little ahead of Tungareshwar. It's around 6:15 right now. Guys, we are at Dahisar right now. For those people who don't know, so this is Dahisar West and we are on Dahisar East-West bridge. We just took Nayan right now. So with me right now is Yash, Nayan, Tejas and Abhishek, Princessia and Renuka.
Guys, good morning. So it's around 6:50 and we are at the Walton Hotel. That's a little ahead of Fountain Hotel on Bhainder. So basically we're waiting for a few of other riders to come. The destination for today is Jawhar Fort. So Jawhar Fort comes in the Palghar district, if I'm not wrong. Yes. And Jawhar has got a lot of historical importance. So basically Jawhar is around 70 kilometers from here. It's a ride from Manor. 10 kilometers before there is a ride which we will have to take to go to Jawhar. So now we almost 7 to 8 people over here. We expecting more 7 to 8 riders, including Akshay Vaiti, Om Dada and many of them coming up. So basically Jawhar Palace is one of our most watching place over there. There are other attractions also, like there's one waterfall, I just forgot the name of it. There's one dam which you guys can visit over there. There are other few places which are beautiful and scenic places to click pictures for, guys. Basically now we will be halting somewhere after we meet Jiggy and the other guys, and we'll have a breakfast because we all are hungry. So let's go. All set.
Muck is very slippery.
So it's around 8 o'clock, I guess. Yes, 8 bhi nahi hai, 7:30 ho gaya. Okay, it's quarter to 8, and we met those people who were supposed to join us from Naigaon. Now the next diversion which we need to take is Manor. The ride is going so far so good.
We got stuck in traffic right now. I don't know what's the reason, but then the most common reason on the highway is trucks, you can say. So Siddharth and Jay are two riders who joined us from Naigaon. There were supposed to be two more, but then I don't know. So here is Jiggy and Jiggy.
I don't know what's there, guys, if it is fog or like if it is the smog, but it seems to be a little smoggy because just before this it wasn't little little foggy itself. So don't know what's wrong here. No, actually the temperature here is a little low. I mean, the moment I entered this area, or maybe this tree, what you call it as, the temperature is actually gone a little low. I can feel that cold. Not cold, but a little cooler. I'm a little hungry. सोचते हैं कि कहाँ खाना है. Some people have already made a plan to eat in Dattatreya. Dattatreya काफ़ी famous snacks corner है. I mean, a good restaurant you can call it as, जहाँ पे महाराष्ट्रियन फूड थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलता है. It looks like winters have come. Not the Game of Thrones wala, but actual winter जैसा लग रहा आ गया. Look at this. It looks beautiful. The roads are anytime better than the roads of Mumbai, guys. ये smog ही लग रहा है शायद, because fog इतने जल्दी ये टाइम पे तो नहीं रहता, because it's almost 8:30 right now.
want to see how much Akshay is eating, look at this. Okay, and Nayan, this is the first time outside Mumbai?
First time outside with the Unchasables.
With the Unchasables, yeah.
And
My first time is Unchasables.
first bullet ride, road trip, very excited, adventurous.
Hashtag feeling good. Hashtag.
Feeling good, yes.
बहुत अच्छा ट्रिप है बेटा और बहुत अच्छे पेशेंस से केयरफुली और ध्यान से चला रहे हैं. ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस, आई एम ब्लेस.
Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, it's 8:50 right now, and the day so far is very good, sunny. So it's Sunday 23rd, and we just took a halt over here. So it's Datta Snacks. I hope you guys are able to see this. Camera, please zoom it properly. So the ride is going well. We are all 12 bikers. I mean 12 bikes right now, and many people here. Few of us have pillion riders as well. So from here we have a new diversion to be taken. That's at Manur, around 7 kilometers ahead, and then from there it's around 40 kilometers approximately. So the food was good over here, very yummy. and tasty as well. So if you guys are planning to come this way somewhere close to Manor, you guys can definitely take a halt over here. Time has always said that. सचिन को जब भी लेके जाओगे समस्या में अपने आप को पाओगे. And his bike is again punctured. 500 रुपया बाइक का 500. बिडिंग लग चुका है इसके बाइक का. 510 550 Guys, again the puncture. The entire Ladakh trip has been got delayed all the time, every day because of Sachin's tire. And again, Ramban. Ladakh Queen is punctured. Hashtag Ladakh Queen is punctured. Here she is.
रामबान में 15 किलोमीटर ऊपर गए, फिर वापस नीचे आए. ये इसके वजह से, ये पीछे वाला टायर की वजह से. और उधर ही रुके. हाँ, उधर ही रुके फिर कट भी किया रात भर.
मैं क्या होटल देख लूँ क्या?
मैं वही बोला, जवाहर में बुकिंग कर लूँ क्या?
Guys, actually this is a practical problem with tubeless tires, not the RE I'm saying, sorry. I'm sorry, not the tubeless tire, the tires with tube, because वो वहीं पे flat हो जाता है जैसे punctured है वो. If at all this would have been a tubeless tire, we could have filled air and kept continuing. Yes. And easier to even remove the puncture.
Guys, so the Dattagrupa restaurant which I showed you like just now, we have to travel for almost 8 kilometers ahead of it towards Ahmedabad, and there is a U-turn or maybe there is a right turn for Jawhar. So this is the board which you will be able to see after you take a U-turn. I mean not a U-turn but a right turn. And then this is on to my left is Jawhar. I am facing towards Mumbai right now because I just took a U-turn and I came. On my left is Jawhar and straight is Mumbai, behind is Ahmedabad. So these are the interior roads of Jawhar to go there. Basically this road goes to Nasik also. Nasik, Shirdi, Trambakeshwar. The roads aren't that great, but then you can see the potholes are there. I wonder in the rain this must be like hell.
There is a small ghat of around 7 to 8 kilometers. We are around 15 kilometers before Jawhar. The roads in ghats is nice, but before ghat could start, the patch was a little, with a series of potholes, which makes little impatient, to ride into it. Ahead of this ghat, the roads are okay, but the scenery is nice. You look at this, all green you see. Not in all the seasons, obviously.
This is the Palace Road. This is a little bit interiors, guys, and look at the road down. I don't know if you guys are able to notice a very narrow lanes, all trees around. Okay, and there, that you see, that's you see what is palace. That's it. And the roads are a little rocky. You might end up slipping here. Not Akshay. I hope you guys are able to see. I was doing a little cycling here.
Okay, so we had our food right now, but we had our lunch right now. It's around what time? Okay, so it's around 2:45, and we're supposed to go now to the waterfall, which is around 18 kilometers ahead of this place where we are. The hotel was quite nice. अभी तो बिल आया नहीं तो बिल का पता नहीं. The bikes are there behind, and they all are sitting over here. I'll show you. The restaurant is quite nice. Ice cream party चल रहा है. I'll show you this guy. They're behaving like howras.
Won't even get one.
सॉरी बंदा
ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है वैसे भी
यार छोटे चम्मच इतना मोठा चम्मच अरे यार
ये मत डाला